As promised, I'm sharing with you some crypto news, and what could be bigger than crypto being accepted in your everyday shop? You could literally go to the supermarket and use crypto. If you didn't see the news yesterday, Mastercard are in talks with Binance to start allowing people to spend with crypto in stores. That's over 90 million places worldwide that you could potentially start using crypto. My mum actually got to this from the newspaper. Have you seen a cutting? I literally haven't seen it forever. But what it is saying is that the MasterCard main boss, Michael Maybach, has decided to announce to the world that they're going to actually start using crypto in some stores. Let's try it out. Let's see how it goes. This is starting in Argentina, but the potential is there. We can start using crypto. This is including Bitcoin, Ethereum. This is exciting times. You can see how excited I am. You should be excited too. This is why, to get into trading, if you haven't checked out my Binance link below, Binance is an incredible site to start trading. It's simple, it's easy. Why not give it a go? Mastercard are saying, yes, let's do this. Let's start using crypto. It is becoming a common currency. We are starting to use crypto. How exciting is this? This could be game changing. Please, please, please start checking it out. Understand more about crypto and why we're going to start using this. I mean, it will literally be like tap and crypto is being used. I always have been backing my crypto. I've been keeping my crypto quite a lot for this sort of day when we're going to be able to walk into any store and use crypto. It becomes its own digital currency, which we're going to use in the real world, where people see it as not having actually any validity in the real world because it's digital. Well, anything we have, like cash now we have online. If I go to anywhere, I'm going to be using my tap, pay and go, and that's it. So this is an exact prime example of how we can use crypto. And it's not on the big scale. I know I've talked about houses, cars. This is real life use of crypto. You guys need to check it out and get involved.